Hello dear children. Today we will complete a picture story in your GK book, page number 19, The Clever Cat Seller. But before doing it in the book, let us watch the story first.
Once there was a cap seller in a town. On one fine day, after making a few sales of caps, he became little tired. So he decided to sit under a big tree to take rest for a while. Soon he slept. There were many monkeys on that big tree. They saw the cap seller sleeping under the tree. One of them said, "Look at those wonderful caps." The monkeys came down from the tree, took the caps from the cap seller's bag and put them on their head, copying the cap seller, and climbed the tree again. And when the cap seller woke up, he was shocked to see his bag empty. Oh, there were no caps. He looked here and there for his caps but could not find any. He was surprised when he saw that the monkeys on the tree were wearing his caps. He shouted at them and said, "Give my caps." But naughty monkeys made faces at him. Then the cap seller thought of an idea. He took off his cap and flew it in the air. The monkeys also copied him and flew their caps in the air. Then the clever cap seller threw his cap on the ground, and the monkeys copied him. They also threw the caps on the ground. Yes, the clever cap seller picked up all his caps, put them back in his bag, and went away singing happily.
Children, see page number 19 of your GK book, The Clever Cap Seller. Enjoy this picture story. Fill the blanks. Number 1. Once a cap seller was passing through a forest. Forest, forest. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. It was very hot. Sun, sun. Now, see number 2. The cap seller was so tired that he put down his bag of caps under a tree and went off to sleep. Here you have to write B-A-G, bag. Then see number 3. Some monkeys saw him asleep, took away all his caps and put them on their heads, copying the cap seller. Here you have to write monkeys. These monkeys, they took his caps, all his caps they took and put them on their heads. So number 4 now. When the cap seller got up, he saw the monkeys wearing his caps. He yelled at the monkeys. The monkeys made faces at him. The cap seller, when he got up, he saw that the monkeys were wearing his caps. C-A-P-S, caps. Then he shouted at the monkeys and monkeys made faces at him. Now, see number 5. Then the cap seller had an idea. He took off his cap and threw it on the ground. The monkeys copied him. They too threw the caps on the ground. So here you have to write ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Now see this. Number 6. The cap seller picked up all the caps and went away singing happily. So here you have to write picked up. The cap seller picked up all the caps and went away singing happily. So, dear children, this was the story of the clever cap seller. Fill the blanks in the book. Okay, children.